As the custom fitting pioneer and leader, Ping embraces the responsibility of elevating the fitting experience beyond golfers' expectations. In creating InFlight, the company's team of software developers, scientists, and fitting experts combined years of product knowledge, scientific data, and fitting research into a tool that ensures fitting results never before available in both the indoor and outdoor environments. They developed the industry's first virtual fitting software to precisely model, digitally analyze, and scientifically compare every aspect of every shot it captured.
You know, custom fitting is all about science. It's a lot more today than what it was when my dad was asking guys what their favorite club was so he could fit the rest of the set to their favorite club. When we designed the InFlight system, we wanted it to be simple. For the golf professional that installs the InFlight system, it gives him the ability to fit much better, but it also feeds him information that he may not be aware of at the time. He will be able to fit at a much higher level, train other people to be able to fit at the same level he can, maybe even better.
InFlight blends 3 types of applications to provide fitters and golfers the most comprehensive fitting solution available today. A gaming application relies on a 3D interactive high-end rendering engine to display console game quality graphics to create a virtual fitting experience. InFlight's scientific application captures and analyzes ball flight data to make fitting recommendations. The business application built into the software configures set specifications for printed output and direct order generation to Ping.
It's a very intuitive type of application. If you are a fitter, you will see very quickly that it's very easy to learn.
The primary interface functions with 5 windows, each designed to provide visual and statistical analysis. The 3D interactive view simulates shot tubes, which represent the precise ball flight, including the bounce and roll. The shot results can be analyzed from every angle to provide the fitter added insight into a shot's dynamics.
As a fitter, you may want to look at the shots from the perspective of the golfer, so we can simulate the shots out in this 3D world. Or you may want to fly around and look at the shots from the landing side of the equation.
The top-down view groups the results of varying club specifications to allow the fitter and golfer to compare multiple shot dispersions.
You can see every shot that you hit, and these are color-coded based off of what shaft, head, grip combination you used. So you'll be able to look at one grouping of shots and compare those two and make an easy visual comparison of the two.
The side view displays the optimal ball flight band. This captures the shot's trajectory and illustrates the effect of a change to a club's loft and/or shaft flex should a golfer desire a higher or lower ball flight. The data grid displays all the information captured by the launch monitor, including launch angle, spin rate, ball speed, and club head speed. It provides another point of comparison for the fitter and golfer to hone in on a club recommendation. Throughout the fitting, the club selector steps the fitter through the process and recommends club configurations based on the results captured during the session. The fitter is also provided valuable feedback and validation to explain why a certain club is being recommended.
That allows you to make club selections for shaft, head, and grip, as well as it's the window where the fitting engine makes recommendations of what you should select.
The simplicity of InFlight relies on numerous and complex equations working within the software to analyze and compare shot characteristics and results. The software is capable of recommending thousands of club combinations.
There's an awful lot of R&D goes into this software behind the scenes. We've got thousands of robot tests that we've done, thousands of player tests. All of our shafts, we've got the specifications and we know all the measurements for those shafts. And then there's a lot of physics and statistics that's gone into picking through the millions of combinations that we can make and working out which combination will be the best for that player.
The software's simulation capabilities go beyond the incredible graphic detail, which includes blowing leaves on the trees and ripples on the water. It factors in the golfer's typical playing conditions to compensate for any environmental variances. It even considers the type of ball you're being fit with to ensure accurate results.
Because we have our own trajectory model, we can control how we set the environment, by which I mean the temperature, the altitude, even things like the humidity. And therefore we can map out a ball flight specific to the conditions that a player would normally play in.
In-Flight uses Ping's proven multi-step fitting processes for metal woods, irons, and wedges to guide the fitter through the process. Familiar concepts such as the interview, static measurements, and color code remain part of the process.
If you conduct short fittings, the fitting algorithms and engines in there allow you to converge on a fitting solution quickly. If you do very thorough high-end fittings, all the tools, all the rich interactive tools that are built in allow you to go through detailed analysis as well as reconstructing the fitting process by revealing all the shots back out onto the screen and walking somebody through the whole process.
In-Flight includes a gapping analysis feature to make full set recommendations. By analyzing data from 3 clubs hit during the fitting session, typically a hybrid, iron, and wedge, the software configures a set to produce proper distance gaps between every club.
We take the actual data from the clubs the players hit, and we will use the ball speed, the launch angle, the spin rate, and then our knowledge from player testing and from the science of what's happening to simulate the ball speed, launch angle, and spin rate of all the clubs in the bag, and then we'll use our physics model to map out where they would go.
In the end, golfers walk away with complete confidence in the Ping custom fitting process, knowing they've been properly fit for the latest advancements in equipment technology.
For the golfer, the in-flight system is just going to mean so much more. They know their fitting is going to be at a much higher level. They will see all the options that are available to them. It's going to really work, and the golfer is going to benefit by a lower score.